circuit making. In this part, we are going to join the components using the soldering iron. These are the components: button battery holder, micro switch, super bright LED, multi-strand wires, M2 machine screws, Velcro, long nose plier, wire cutter, wire stripper, mini Phillips screwdriver, soldering iron, and solder. So now stay with me and I will demonstrate to you how to solder with ease. So let's get started. Okay, let's start with stripping of the wires. Strip one end of the wire of about 1 cm length and twist all of those strands together nice and tight. Thinning wire, which is the process of adding a little bit of solder to make it much easier to connect other components. Let's get your button battery holder and make your connection stable by using a masking tape. This way your holder will not move and make your work much easier. Be creative on how you want to tape it. Remember to thin a layer on holder pin before connecting. Red wire to positive pin and black to the negative pin. It takes about 5 seconds for the solder to cure. Now paste one part of the Velcro as shown. Paste the other Velcro to the base and insert the wires through the two holes. Thin the wire, then solder the micro switch by inserting the black wire through the middle pin of the switch, bend and twist it. Again, paste a tape to secure the switch from moving. Ensure good contact between the tip and the joint. Black wire 50 mm length. Now proceed to solder the other black wire on the side pin. Black wire at 50 mm length. Next, strip the other end of the wires for joining to the LED. Red wire 70 mm length. Join the black wire to the short LED leg and red wire to long LED leg. Ensure both wires twist tightly and neat. And now solder the two joints. Congratulations! You have finished the entire circuit successfully.